next presenter is Nicolas Rances.
Let me ask you a question. Does your water smell?
Yes.
I hope not. But for many Americans across the United States, this simply is not the case. Taste and odor problems are prevalent across the United States, and one chemical in particular is to blame. And this chemical is called geosmin. Geosmin is a chemical created by soil bacteria and cyanobacteria in our water. And for humans, our ability to sense these geosmin through our nose is as low as 10 parts of geosmin per 1 trillion parts of water. Water treatment plant operators have a significant difficulty being able to detect these compounds. And while they are not necessarily harmful for us as humans in terms of toxicity, it significantly impacts our ability as human beings to determine whether or not what we are drinking is safe. Because our first barrier of defense as human beings is our senses. Our research is aiming to develop an electrochemical sensor that is specific towards detecting this geosmin compound. Because water treatment plant operators currently have significant problems with cost burdens as a result of detecting this geosmin compound at such low concentrations. Our approach was to use an electrochemical sensor to be able to detect differences in the current on the surface of the electrode. To make this sensor specific towards detecting geosmin, we utilized molecular imprinting technology. This molecular imprinting technology you can think of as a memory foam. If you lay your head on a pillow and sit back up, what you see is an imprint on the pillow that's in the same shape and form as your head. In the same way, we mix the geosmin particles with this polymer matrix, and on coating it on the sensor surface, we're able to develop binding sites to rebind geosmin onto the sensor surface. As a result, our hope for this research is to be able to provide improved response abilities for these water treatment plant operators to detect geosmin, and in turn, be able to ensure that us, as consumers of water, are able to trust our water quality.
I realized I neglected to say Lance's program, which is Environmental Engineering MSME, and its advisors would be